So 1 year ago, I set off on a journey to get one of the rarest parts signed for my GTR restoration. Last year when I visited, I kinda failed, but today, we're gonna finish the job. Whoa, that's Fuji, right? That has to be Fuji. If that is Fuji, today there is like a perfect view of it. Ah, okay. Thank you. I have no idea what he said. Okay, so we are here at Fuji Speedway for Mr. Hiro's JDM party, which is a little bit weird because you needed like a Japanese address to sign up for tickets, but at the same time, I don't know why they would call it a JDM party. I think that's mostly like a foreigner type of thing, right? It's like their cars already. Anyway, so we're in the lot and there's some cool stuff already. There's like 11 over there. There's an old WRX over there. There's this R35. Odyssey. Oh yeah, Odysseys here are a little bit different. So if it looks weird, there's Odysseys, Odyssey Absolutes. This is something that we don't have stateside. This is the one that nobody likes, I think. I forgot the name of it. I think these were made in Europe. It's so weird seeing that they only have 2 doors. Anyway, Type R Euro, that's what it is. That one's on Advan GTs. Oh, this person we saw at Hakone Turnpike, the one with the plushies. And another one with a 99 spec front bumper. This has a GTR badge, but it is not a GTR. JZX 100. No, my mistake, 110. Mark II. Ooh. IRV. So it is a 1JZ GTE model. This is... What is this? Is this a Sentra? Primera? I want to say Primera. I don't know, but it says Alltech on it. An Alltech plate too. And some Sylvias. S15. 1, 2, 3. Y-plater. Holy shit. So after getting my wristband and walking a little bit further, I made it into one of the courses and lots of Fuji Speedway. If this area seems familiar, they host GTR and 1JZ meetings here as well. And to my surprise, the man that I traveled all the way here to meet was standing right here in front of me. That's like literally Smokey right there. This man is Nagata Kazuhiko, otherwise known as Smokey for some of his antics. Smokey originally worked at Trust and produced parts and modified vehicles on the side in secrecy, before forming his own tuning company Top Secret, a nod to his background activities. His cars and public stunts will get him attention and arrested a few times, and his popularity will grow. Throughout Top Secret's history, Smokey has pushed out many well-known cars, some of them painted with his signature gold color. Personally, Smokey is one of my favorites not only because of his work, but also because of how his personality and appearance clash with his activities. Often described as quiet, he was here chatting and laughing away with the people of the event. Have you seen these before? This is a...
for IB?
Yes, HKS, right? But HKS and Top Secret made it. So there's only a few. Yeah, Top Secret.
Okay.
Sign, できますか? どっち? Which one? Intake, intake. In. Thank you. 最初にいいですか? Oh. Thank you. He knew. He saw it and he was like, It's too rare. So Smokey was right there, and he signed my gear, dude. And he was actually pretty surprised because these are pretty rare. So these are an HKS and Top Secret collaboration from back in the day. I had both of them, and he wanted to sign the intake one. So it's like a dream crossed off for me. And I didn't expect them to just be randomly walking around. I might as well continue. This is a Top Secret R35. So cool, dude. So cool. Look at this. Top Secret. Damn. You know, when I see them like this, it makes me want one. People are going to get pissed at me. I actually don't know this car. It is a RE Amamiya car. Maybe it's like a demo car or something. It has it everywhere. And it even has an Amamiya-san plush and air freshener. I'm assuming this is a RE Amamiya demo car. Okay, so a little post commentary. I didn't realize it, but this is Daijiro Inada's Sunny truck, the creator of Option magazine. You'll see him drive it a little bit later in this video, and I thought that he looked a little familiar from the quick glance I got at him, but for now I had no idea, and I was just like, wow, look at this clean Sunny truck, and that was it. So after the meet and greet, there was a lineup on the course with everybody in their famous cars. And I'm talking about Max Arito, Nob, Dai, Amamiya, Smokey, and Sayaka. It was a multi-part event, and I only had time to stay for the initial signings and pictures, but it was still so worth it. I will not be participating in the lunch party, so that is actually it for now. I mean, I got a picture with Sayaka, I got a picture with Smokey. He was impressed at my Top Secret cam gears. I didn't want to bother Dai, Max Arito, and Nob because they seemed like they were really, really busy or really, really tired. So I was like, nah, I'm not going to do it. Sayaka was the most friendly and open and like willing to take pictures. Like there was a line of people trying to get her signature and stuff like that. And I'm kind of surprised because Smokey was actually pretty like chill too. Like after he got done signing, he stepped to the side, he pulled out a vape and he went, but it's just funny that he would just go to the side afterwards, you know, not give a care in the world while everybody else is sitting inside, chatting with fans, relaxing, whatever it may be. And he's just taking a hit. I spent the rest of my time in Japan doing normal tourist things like sightseeing and eating whatever this is. I eventually returned the crown back to Moacir, who also showed me this Gyaru mobile in for a blown engine. This time around in Japan, it was more of a personal trip and I got to interact with locals a lot more and I loved it. But once we get back to the States, the GTR project is going to begin and there is going to be a huge change. Thank you for joining me on this trip and I will catch you back in America. Bye.